Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Yvonne McCallister's house here in Tyrone, Georgia. I'm currently standing on the back-facing slope. Today we're going to be testing the repairability of these shingles. Here's a condition shot. Today we're going to be removing this wind damage shingle right here. As you can see, crease tab. I'm going to let you guys follow along during this repair. We'll remove the damaged shingle, put a new one in. We'll see. Alrighty, let me get you guys angled correctly. Alrighty, guys. Got some overdriven nails here, guys. That nail flying. All right, well, overdriven nails. That one's protruding through the shingle, so it should pull out regardless. Hopefully they aren't all like this, because this is going to make it very difficult. That should be it. Should just slide on out now, guys. Yep. All right. Go ahead and put the new shingle in. Looks like this shingle is a little bit wider. The shingle we're dealing with. Alrighty, guys, we'll be using the insurance tool, preferred tool of choice, the roof snake, to put the shingle back in. Here we go. guys. New shingle in place. There we are. Now during this video, when I had to lift these shingles, I could hear it slightly crack. There's probably some loose granules at the top of these shingles. Next windstorm, rainstorm, any kind of inclement weather, it's gonna knock these off. So for video purposes, my hands across here, you can see the creasing as well as the roof snake, how it lays flat on these shingles and impacts them. Now, I've been told by all the big box carriers, your State Farms, your Allstates, that they want us to use this roof snake, but it actually ends up causing more damage to the shingles themselves with these impacts from the snake. Now, like I said, you can kind of see some faint creasing at the top of these shingles. But I'll go ahead and take some photos for you guys as well, some close-ups, just in case the quality of this video isn't the best. Thank you for your consideration.